It's Teacher Tip Tuesday. But do you know what day I like even more than Teacher Tip Tuesday? Catterday. Then again, I love everything to do with cats. If you haven't already figured it out, today I am going to guide you on how to properly use the words then and then. With these words sounding so much alike, it's easy to understand why using them incorrectly is one of the most common grammar mistakes in English. So let's get to it. Then maybe you will have a more clear understanding than you did previously. See what I did there? Then, which sounds like men or women, is used to talk about time and sequence. Carl ate dinner, then he went back to bed. Here I am talking about time. When did Carl go back to bed? After he ate, of course. To remember, just think there is an E in time and there is an E in then. Then sounds like van and is used to compare things. Carl is hungrier than any creature I have ever encountered. Here I am comparing Carl to other creatures. To remember, notice that there is an A in compare and there is an A in then. Neat. Here are some examples of then and then used in action. Can you hear the difference? Surprisingly, Carl enjoys sleeping more than eating. I poured a cup of tea and then Carl knocked it over. My dog Dewey has a nicer wardrobe than I do. I finished my work, then I went for a long walk. Do you think Carl is bigger than my dog Dewey? Work hard and never give up, then you will see success. This is a lot easier than I remember. What do you think? So when you're unsure of which word to use, think of this sentence and it'll make you even more unsure and possibly hungry. I'd rather eat sushi than pizza. Or is it I'd rather eat sushi than pizza? I guess it depends on the day. I hope this lesson was helpful or at least brought a smile to your face. Tune in next Tuesday for more engaging educational tips with me, Teacher Donna. See you then. Bye-bye.